Welcome back to Phenom Yachts The Build. I'm Sean Reel. Today we're going to go over some new Phenom product offerings. We'll give you an update on the 43, and we'll also go over everything else going on at the Phenom plant. We're out here on the boat today and we want to talk about a new product offering on the full Phenom lineup. And if you haven't heard about it yet, it's called the Seakeeper Ride system. And it is a game-changing system for stabilization of your boat while underway. Mounted to the transom of this Phenom 37 is the all-new 750mm ride system. That's 2.5 feet, or roughly the length of my arm. As the exclusive launch partner with Seakeeper Ride, Phenom Yachts has been extensively testing this new system. Let's take a look at some of the footage what we captured while testing the boat with Seakeeper Ride engineers on board. Take a look at how it affects the running attitude of the Phenom 37 in rough conditions. As you can see, the system helps maintain the feeling of riding on rails that you've become accustomed to in a Phenom. Even through these rough conditions, Ride controls the bow and virtually eliminates the port and starboard roll while underway. With the Seakeeper Ride system, we also have the One Helm app built into the Garmin MFD and the touchpad between the steering wheel and the binnacle. The way Ride operates is when the engines are started, Ride powers up in auto mode. Auto mode makes adjustments up to 100 times per second for best performance. Small adjustments can be made in auto mode, or you can take full control, similar to a standard trim tab, in manual mode. Again, Seakeeper Ride is designed to better the performance of your boat while underway. Now let's head back to the plant and take a look at the Phenom 43 progress. We just got back to the Phenom plant and actually caught them in the process of dry fitting the deck and the transom cap into the Phenom 43. Now, the dry fitment process is actually a fitment test. The deck will be lifted and laid in place to test all the fittings inside. Once everything's perfect, they'll pick it up, and then at that point, we'll start the bonding process. The glue is then laid down, the pieces are then put back into place, and once it sets, it's not coming apart. In the previous episode, we talked about the console liner. Here, we have the console cover or the console cap. This piece will go over top of the console liner and be affixed permanently to make one solid finished piece on both sides. That's all for the Phenom 43 on this update. Now let's go head over and take a look at the next 37 coming down the line. Here we are at the next Phenom 37 coming down the line. This one in Harbor Hayes will be delivered just north of Key West. The guys are inside the boat, getting it rigged out, getting the console ready. The leaning post is in, some aluminum work is going on. We're also going to put the Seakeeper in very soon. This boat's going to come together very quickly in the next couple of days. Keep an eye out for the next update. Now, before we close out this episode, I did want to give you a heads up. We will be at the Newport Rhode Island Boat Show, September 12th to the 15th. Make sure you come check us out on Dock S20. Otherwise, thank you for watching this episode. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.